And so how do we as individuals take in that love in such a way that we know God the way Jesus knew God? How do we do that? Well, I think the first step is just being open to it and receiving it. Being aware that you are a physical, psychological, emotional being, but you are also a spiritual being. You have a spirit, and the Holy Spirit of God resides in you in that place. And so just spending time letting the Holy Spirit, getting in touch with that place in you where God resides. And this is beyond feelings. You might not feel anything, but just spend time quietly. Just be still